Hi, Math 257. Welcome to Module 9, which is on polygons. So we have two activities or lessons this week. The first one is really going to focus on polygon vocabulary, which sounds kind of boring, but it's necessary to do the rest of the assignments. So this first day, I'm going to rate as yellow. The vocabulary can be challenging to people, especially if you've never heard of it before. So you need to make sure you have a nice working definition for each term that you're going to learn. So we're going to talk about straight angles, supplementary angles, complementary angles, and vertical angles. Okay. See what those look like. And then we're going to talk about how those angles are related and some angle relationships there. And then we're going to jump right into polygons. We'll talk about where students are on that Van Heel geometry learning development pyramid. And we're going to talk about what's a polygon and what's not a polygon. This is an important distinction. And when we investigate things through pictures, it's easier for us to understand the definition than if we're just given a definition. And the same is true for students. So we're going to look at our Freyer model on what's a polygon, what's not a polygon, and we're going to come up with our own definition. Then I just want to make sure you know all these different shapes: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and dodecagon. If we're not sure how many sides it has, we would call it an n-gon, or an n-gon could refer to any number of sides. Then we're going to focus on the two vocabulary words regular and irregular and what the differences are. And then you're going to categorize some shapes. And then we're going to jump into convex versus concave and categorize some shapes as well. So that's really important. And we'll get through a couple assignments on this day. So I hope you're able to attend class. So now the second day of polygons this week, we're going to classify polygons, and it is still rated yellow. We're going to put all this vocabulary together and make sure we understand how that works. So you're going to work with a partner on some polygon homework. That's using all those vocabulary words from our first lesson this week and applying it to a bunch of different problems. And then you are going to make a tree diagram. They start the least specific, for example, on this one, desserts, and then it goes down from there. So cookies and ice cream are two different kinds of desserts. Notice they have lines to the dessert. Then underneath cookies, it gets more and more specific. So, and notice wherever the lines join, that means it's part of what is above it, kind of like a family tree. And then you're going to make a polygon tree diagram using all of these terms. And you're going to work with a partner on this. So that's our week for this. It's a polygon week. It's about yellow rating. And then, as always, you'll check your Canvas for the upcoming due dates and work on that exit ticket for me. All right. Thanks for watching.